Hi guys, I am Kavita and I am 7 month pregnant. On January 8th, I got to know that I am pregnant, and that day was a beautiful day of my life. I heard my baby's heartbeat for the first time. ಕೆಲವರ ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೈ ಕೇಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈಮೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. My first trimester was full of headache, nausea, vomiting, laziness, etc. But now I am feeling very good and I am able to eat well. Tomorrow onwards I'll upload new vlogs, regular vlogs, and I will share my pregnancy journey too with you all guys. So please follow my Instagram account as well as in YouTube. Thank you. Bye.